day today is a hard one for all of us. It is so much easier to mourn in silence. It takes away the worry of not being able to get your words out or even just simply getting the right words out. But silence or not, one thing which I am sure we all appreciate today is being here all together, sharing in each other's silence, sharing in others' moments of thought for our beloved Orlean Figueredo, Ori, who we all loved as a dedicated leader, a guide, a mentor, an elderly brother, an uncle, a friend, a loved one, an husband, a father, the person who dedicated 50 years of his life for the wisdom movement. We will always have our own personal and special memories of the mark he left in our hearts, in our lives. And it is very hard for me today to be up here hearing my own thoughts out loud, trying my best to focus on the happiest times Ori brought us, rather than the fact that he is no longer here with us today, as we all know. I am certain of two things though. He would have wanted us all to be here today with our happiest thoughts of our time spent together. And secondly, he is still here with us very strongly in spirit. Ori was such a strong person through and through, from character, personality, and presence. We are all here because somewhere, somehow, we have all been touched by Ori. For us, he will always be with us. What we will remember will always be. Every one of us have private memories that are relevant to us, and Ori that you wish to share, such as how often he made me laugh. This is what makes him remain with us personally, what I am sure that you all have your very own special and private moments that you will cherish and keep close to your hearts. We were all very lucky to have had him in our lives, and as much as he will be missed by us all, he will remain with us all every day as long as we can remember. We love and miss you, Ori, past, present, and future. Thank you.